Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram. To do this, it's very simple and easy. You have just to go to Telegram, and after that, let me go back. Go and click on settings on the bottom of the screen. And after that, on settings, go to privacy and security. And after that, go to privacy, the first option, phone number. Here you will have multiple options. The first one, who can see your phone number. So if you want to hide it, just set it on nobody. And also the second option, who can find me by my number. So you have two options here. If everybody can find you by your phone number, or just your contacts can find you with your phone number. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.